Assalamualaikum friends. Today I am going to show you how to make a simple calculator in Java. For this I am using the NetBeans integrated development environment. Let's get started. First create a new project by clicking this button. You can press Ctrl Shift plus N. Click next. Name your project. For our project I am naming CALC and uncheck this button. This folder already exists. Okay, sorry. Finish. Here is our project. Now double click on source packages and right click and insert a new JFrame form. Class this JFrame form as main and click on finish. Friends, this is our workspace. We can drag or drop anything here and write any code behind this. For our tutorial, first of all, add a button. Here is J button 1 and we will name it as 1. And we make a copy of this button by clicking Ctrl plus C button and pasting here Ctrl plus V. We are doing this for our numpad. Rename our button by double clicking on it. Sorry, edit text. Here is our numpad. Next thing we have to do, add some operations. For this we will use same button and name it as plus. This is our subtraction. This is our multiplication and in the last we will add a button for some other purposes like clear screen and this is our assignment operator or equally. Now add a text field for our display. Here we have our the interface for our calculator. Now let's run it. Here is this is how our calculator will look like. These buttons does not do anything yet. Let's do some coding behind these buttons.